Good day, everyone. Since I posted a video on do-it-yourself bottle irrigation, a lot of people have been asking me that how do I go about bottle irrigation. So I made it a thing to do a video today. So as you can see, I've got some bottles, for example, here in different shape and form, and I'll just go quickly into the basic. And one major thing I want you to note is that you need a bottle that has a strong neck, in the sense that when you place the bottle into the soil, it is this neck part that holds the bottle rather from wobbling. So I'll show you an example. When you place it in the soil this way and you put some water in it, yeah, so it's firm, it doesn't wobble. So another advantage of this is that since the neck is well elongated, it supplies water to the roots. So I'll go to the next bottle, the ever bottle. This, as you can see, evidently is a big bottle, so it would hold quite a volume of water. And the advantage of this one is that it's able to take on more weight, in the sense that it can force down water by gravity. In a case where you have a clog at the cover region, where you puncture for water to be dripping out. So it uses gravity to force down water, and as you can see with this also, is that you have a lot of water. It's going to last you for about maybe 2 to 3 days, but it's not really the same with this. The neck is not protruded and wobble like this. See, that's a disadvantage. So I will go to the third one. I think this third one actually it takes the advantage of this and the other one, in the sense that it has a thick neck and it has a bigger volume than this. But another advantage I've seen with this one, I've observed that, I wouldn't say for a fact, but I'll just make it an assumption, that the tomato plants that I grow beside color bottles usually appear to grow better. So I suspect it might be that when the visible light ray hits the bottle, they are emitted into required light wave for plants to thrive, in the sense that the photosynthetic active radiation wavelength from the 400 to the 700 nanometer, where we have the blue, the red, and the green light. But the advantage of this one might not be really sustained, in the sense that you get a case whereby the plants outgrow the bottle vertically, so, and that the leaf does the major photosynthesis. But I wouldn't say it won't still have an advantage, in the sense that it's not only the leaf that does the photosynthesis. We have active cells in the shoot that carry out photosynthesis also. So one thing that I would like us to take note is that is with the puncturing of the cover of the bottle, in the sense that there is a tendency that when you place the bottle in the soil, the soil particles clog the punctured area of the cover. So what a lot of people do is that they try to pass a thread across or through the opening made on the cover. So it works by the thread, so water movement, rather than working by dripping. It works by diffusion. If you've ever used a kerosene lamp before, kerosene lamp entails the use of thread, and the means by which the thread kindle the fire is by actually through diffusion. When you place the thread in the kerosene, you start seeing the kerosene rising. So a good bottle, an operational bottle that you want to look for would be between these two, between these three rather. It has the size, it has the thick neck, and for assumption, it has the colored bottle. And another reason why I advise using soda bottle is that it contains leftover sugar, and when I use it, I observe that it increases insect activity, and also it's going to increase the activities of microorganism feeding on sugar, breaking down sugar. So this is very good for the health of the soil. It helps with the fertility and some structural properties, as you might know. One last thing, show you how to properly cut out your bottle. So this bottle now, I've already made a hole in it that makes it easy for me to cut around with scissors. So you take your scissors and cut around, but there's a technique to it, in the sense that you want to cut it in a way that it doesn't spill over like this. When it spills over like this, it encourages evaporation, but it has advantage also. When it's open like this, when it rains, it conserve rain, acts like a rain garage. But when it's covered like this, it's fine. You want something that is protected. These are some of the basic things that I would like you to take note of. Thank you for listening to me.